Hello there, CC here. We're going to check out the new gacha, Raindrops and Hydrangeas. Now, I've been very good this month and have not spent a CC amount, a cash amount, since the first of the month. So, I've been pretty good. This is very reminiscent of the monthly Petite Ladies gacha and the other Hydrangea VIP gacha. Though I do like the umbrella. I always have a thing for umbrellas. This dress is pretty normal. I think I have another 4 purple dresses just like it. Same with the eyes. I do like when they tone the hair to different colors. I don't like how the braid is going off to one side way too much. And I do like the bow. Same with the other dress. I have about 6 other dresses just like it. I do want the shoes. Bow and shoes. The swing is okay. I would like the swing actually. Another snail. Yeah, not many room items this time. Really? Like, only 3. Like, it's magic box territory. 3. Okay, so I only got 1 spin. And I get the swing. Okay. I'll live with that. I'll put my, I'll put it right here. Let's see. Where would I put it? Where would I put the swing? Let's move the butterfly over. Yeah, you just found where I keep my jam. My food supply. I'll put the butterfly over here for right now. There we go. And now we got a swing. No, I do not want to delete a room. Yes. Alright. This is CC signing out.